It's a quiet afternoon on the farm. My ducks have eaten their fill. Now they're ready to head back home. They've been out in the fields all day searching for bugs, snails, and leftover grain. It's just me and my shaggy dog leading the flock back to the barn. This is our life, simple, honest, and close to the land. If you enjoy peaceful farm moments like this, go ahead and subscribe. There's plenty more to see from me and my dog. Me and Fluffy, that's my shaggy dog. We're herding the ducks now. They've just finished their time at the river. Every day, we take them there so they can swim, clean their feathers, and cool off from the heat. The water is shallow, peaceful, and full of life. Ducks love it. Now we're walking back. It's just the two of us, one man, one dog, and a sea of ducks. They waddle slowly, flapping their wings, quacking to each other like they're gossiping about the day. The sun is dropping low, shadows stretch across the fields. The breeze smells like rice, mud, and river water. It's quiet out here, just the sound of feet in the dirt, the wind, and ducks. This journey back to the farm is about 1 kilometer, give or take. Not rushed, not loud, just steady. Fluffy runs along the sides, keeping everyone in line. I give a whistle now and then. No shouting, no chaos, just rhythm. This is my favorite part of the day. It's when I feel most alive. No phone, no traffic, just me, Fluffy, and this big sky above us. The ducks know where to go. They've done this walk hundreds of times, but they still look to me, and I look to them. If this kind of simple life brings you peace, stick around. Subscribe to the channel. There's more coming. Every day, rain or shine. Me, Fluffy, the ducks, and this big, beautiful land. Me and Fluffy just herded the ducks down to the river. Everything went smooth, calm, no fuss at all. As soon as they hit the water, they lit up, flapping wings, cleaning feathers, swimming like they own the place. After the ducks entered the river, me and Fluffy climbed onto our little boat. I paddled slowly behind while Fluffy stood at the front, eyes locked on the flock ahead. He was dead serious, didn't blink, didn't move. Along the riverbank, a few strange dogs started barking loud, but Fluffy didn't even flinch. He didn't bark back, didn't turn around. His mind was only on one thing, keeping our ducks moving in the right direction. Watching him made me smile. A small dog, nothing fancy, but with a big, loyal heart. He knows his job, and he takes it seriously. The ducks kept swimming steady. Our little boat followed behind. No engine, no noise, just water, wind, and two quiet teammates working side by side. Fluffy jumped into the river. No command, no hesitation. He just knew what to do. He swam ahead of the ducks, slow and steady, setting the pace for the whole flock. His little head just above the water, ears wet, eyes locked forward. I stayed behind in our small wooden boat, paddling gently. The water rippled under the oar. The air was cool. Around us, the sound of wind in the trees, birds calling, and soft duck chatter filled the space. This is a river channel, what we call a rach here in the Mekong Delta. It runs between the rice fields and the big river, and in flood season, it's full of fish and shrimp. On both banks, there's green everywhere. Rice fields, coconut palms, water lilies, and banana trees. This place raised me. It's quiet, open, and alive. Fluffy kept swimming, cutting gentle paths in the water. He didn't bark, he didn't chase. Just moved naturally like this was his job, his purpose. Some ducks tried to veer off, got distracted by floating weeds. Fluffy swam over, calmly nudged them back. No panic, no noise, just pure teamwork. I watched from the boat, proud. He's not a big dog, no training certificates, and just years of being with me, learning by doing. Up above, white egrets glided across the sky. A small boat passed on the other side of the river, a neighbor. He slowed down and smiled. "You herding those all by yourself?" I smiled and pointed to Fluffy. Not alone. He laughed, waved, and kept going. That's how it is here. Neighbors wave, strangers talk. There's time for kindness. We reached the final stretch, a narrow canal that leads back to our farm. The water here is still and shallow. Small fish jumped. The breeze carried the scent of wildflowers and wet earth. Fluffy got to land first. He climbed up, shook off the water, and stood watch. One by one, the ducks followed him, waddling up the muddy slope and through the gate. He didn't relax until the last duck stepped onto dry ground. I pulled the boat ashore. The sun was dipping low now, the whole sky glowing orange and gold. Another day, another journey. And once again, the ducks are home, thanks to me, to Fluffy, and to this land we love so much.
So.
The ducks are all back at the farm now. They're drying off, preening their feathers, cleaning each other like they always do after a long swim. Some are already resting. Some are still busy looking for bugs in the grass. Fluffy's resting too. Lately he's been having a little trouble, some kind of allergy around his nose. I've been giving him medicine every day, but it doesn't seem to be helping much. If anyone watching has experience with dogs and allergies, feel free to leave a comment. I'd really appreciate your advice. He's a good dog, he works hard, and I just want to help him feel better. If you've enjoyed this video, or if you love ducks, dogs, and peaceful countryside life, consider subscribing to Zet Ducks. There's more coming. More days on the river, more stories from the farm, and hopefully, more happy ducks. From me and Fluffy, thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time. Bye for now.